Okay guys, so today we're going to review the WUBEN X3, which is a very compact flashlight. We're going to check right here on the specs. It has oh my god, there's so many modes. Look at this. It has turbo, high, medium, low, strobe, SOS, high and low. Okay, it claims to illuminate 102 meters with 2590 candela, 1 meter resistant, IP65, which I don't know what, probably the water resistant. Anyway, it's 70 grams. Okay, so it's 70 millimeter by 35 millimeter and 21 millimeter thick. Okay, so now we have the specs. It comes in a pretty neat box. As you can see, it's nice and good. Okay, so let's proceed to open the box to see what's inside. Okay, here's one, here's two. Okay, so what we got here? Okay, we have the pamphlet right here with all the instructions and how to charge it. Here it is. Okay, so out of the box, as you can see, it looks pretty well constructed. Has a sensor right here. Here's the button, the two LEDs, and this is the wireless charging port. Okay, very important. Haven't seen a flashlight with wireless charger. Okay, has the two spots right here, which I'm pretty sure is for the charger. It has to be inside this neat box. Okay, let's try to open it without breaking it. Kind of hard. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here's the charger. Pretty good looking charger here. Type C charger. Okay, so we put it inside, and oh, look at that. It has 90% charge so far. So close it. It's impressive, to be honest with you. Okay, so this box right here has 3000 milliampere at 3.7 volts, which I'm pretty sure is the same. Let's check on the tablet if we got, so we can see the battery. Okay. Let's hold it. Okay, so let's continue. Now we remove this, and we got the charging cable, which it looks pretty interesting right here. Very well. Look at this. How cool is this? And now take a look at this. Is the charging cable. You plug it to your phone charger, you know. Put it back. Okay, so, and you can hang this to the actual flashlight right here. There has to be some a place to handle it. Actually, I wouldn't do it. I'm gonna carry in my pocket. I'm pretty sure it fits on my jeans pocket. Okay, so yeah, this is the lamp itself, flashlight itself, charger, and the charging cable, which it looks very interesting. Look at this. These guys are, they know what they're doing with this. Okay, WUBEN, yeah. Okay, so let's give it a try. Let's see how powerful is this little boy, right? Let's take a look over there. No, forgot to mention then, look at this. Look at this, look at this. You can tilt it to point forward or turn it this way so you can put it in your pocket. In your shirt pocket, you have a front facing flashlight and or handheld. Okay, pretty handy. Interesting. Okay, so we're gonna test right here in full dark. We're going with 2 clicks, starting with the 700 lumen, right? 0 and 700. Okay, so we got 700 lumen. Pretty good lighting I have here. I'm gonna change to, this is 1 lumen. Okay, so 1 lumen can help us to get into a short distance with no problem. For distance, I can see with my eyes, you know, away from the camera, is very good looking. Okay, click back. 700, 1 lumen. $50 lumen, which is pretty decent. Okay, so we hold and we go to 150 lumen. It's getting better. Hold the button, back to 1 lumen, and again to 700. Oh, that was flash. Okay, 700 lumen, it's very bright. Okay, so this is the turbo mode. Let's see if these can capture that. Yeah. Okay, focus. Okay, that's 700. Very good. Okay, now so we hold steady and we get red light at 1 lumen. Okay, hold back to 80 lumen in red light. Now the camera captures very well all this lighting and I can see clearly. It's very strong. We hold back to 1 lumen. So for 1 lumen you can go in short distance with no problem. 80 again and off. Another great feature that this flashlight has is, look at this, it glows in the dark. It glows in the dark and it glows very well. Actually it seems like brighter on camera than it looks on real life, but yes, it is pretty bright. So if you for some reason it falls from your hands and it's off, you can find it because the glow in the dark feature it has. Okay,